is Austin Griffith with RMA speaking, Senior Captive Manager. You have a couple different components. The first component of any captive structure is going to be the formation fees. Typically, formation fees are going to range about 50 to 60,000, depending on the complexity of the structure. What you're insuring, it can vary a little bit. That's being your typical range for the formation fees. Next, you've got the management fees on an annual basis, ongoing. And that's going to range about 36,000 to 48,000 in general, depending on, again, the complexity of it, what type of policies you're writing. There may be underwriting, reinsurance involved with it. And then there are some standard fees. These are a little bit less nominal, but they're going to be ongoing on an annual basis. You're going to have audit and tax work that range about 8 to 12,000 a year. Third-party fees on that end. You'll also have an actuary reserve study on an annual basis. That's going to be about 3 to 5,000. You'll have a premium or renewal fee depending on what domicile you're in. It's almost an interchangeable term, but that's going to range about 5,000. So overall, you're looking about 50 to 60,000 of annual management fee or annual maintenance fees for the captive. A lot of those fees would typically we see with clients is that after the first year, they have a full year of premium inside that's invested. So you have investment income that's covering, that 50 to 60,000 of cost. So you're already positive from that end of things. One other thing I should mention, depending on, again, Max and Bryson had mentioned this, some clients need risk distribution, and they can either get that through a pool, which will typically charge a seeding fee of about 2.5% of premium. Or if you don't need risk distribution via the pool, then you wouldn't have that fee to incur.